Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Toyota 4Runner's maintenance light. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your odometer displays the total mileage, not trip O or B. If it's on trip O or B, simply press the ODO/trip button until the total mileage appears. This sets us up for the next step. Now that your odometer is showing total mileage, turn the ignition completely off. Next, press and hold the ODO/trip button. Keep holding it down, and while you are, turn the ignition back to the on position. Remember, do not start the engine, just turn the ignition on. This action initiates the reset sequence. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful car tips. On another note, upgrade your home cleaning game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and perfect for pet owners. You can find a link to this amazing vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Keep holding the ODO/trip button for about 5 to 10 seconds. You will notice the maintenance required light on your dashboard begin to flash. Continue holding until the light stops flashing and completely disappears. Once the light is no longer visible, you can release the ODO/trip button. This indicates the reset process is nearly complete. To confirm the reset was successful, go ahead and start your Toyota 4Runner's engine. Check your dashboard to ensure the maintenance required light is no longer illuminated. If the light is still on, don't worry. Simply turn off your vehicle and carefully repeat the entire reset procedure from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a second try.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.